Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Zittle Farms YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be box blading my father-in-law's driveway. As you can see here, there's a lot of grass in the middle. It makes about like a W, so rain can't get off the sides of the road, and some potholes down there by the bridge. This is my first time doing a box blade. I've used just a rear blade before. I picked this one up at an auction a couple years ago, 2 or 3 years ago. It's a 6-foot wide one. We're gonna see how well that does. My tractor tires with the spacers is 7-foot wide, so it's got 4 out of the 6 rippers. So if we're gonna do that, I'm gonna put them on just one side, and then we'll just keep going back and forth and pick up some material, and then we might have to bring in a load or two. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you learned something, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any tips or tricks. Once again, this is my first time doing this, so let's see how it goes. Let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on working on this gravel driveway. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below. I've been using the John Deere 4052R tractor with a 6-foot box blade, as you can see. We ended up not bringing any gravel in right now. It looks pretty good if you ask me. I think maybe 2 inches of fresh gravel would help this out and make it perfect, but it's good enough for now. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on the next one.